911. What's the location of your emergency?
Lantana Sheriff's Office for the transfer. The Super 8 motel, you have a male chasing a female with a chainsaw.
Oh, great. Thank you. Hello, caller.
Caller's on the line.
Hello, what's going on?
Yeah, there's a guy chasing a girl, and he's got a chainsaw. He's got like a flannel type shirt, like pattern.
Is he a black male or white male?
White male.
I'm sorry, black male?
White male.
White male chase in a flannel plaid shirt?
Yes.
What part of the motel is it at?
Right.
I'm sorry?
The entrance.
The entrance? Okay. Is it a white female or a black female that's being chased?
Black female.
Okay, and do you have a clothing description for her?
No, I don't.
Okay, may I have your name?
It's Johnny Topper, Topper.
Okay, we'll get somebody over there. Thank you.